Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Syed Afnan Ahmed and I am back again with a video to tell you about the strategies to crack band 8 or 9 for the writing task 1, and this is the academic edition. So just to have the clear understanding of the writing task 1, you're supposed to write over 150 words. You'll get a visual information in the form of a graph, chart or a diagram. You must select the main features and describe and compare the data. If you're an academic IELTS student, you'll be required to write a report on a dataset, map, or a process in a writing task 1. So as for the essential information of the task 1, as discussed earlier, you're supposed to write over 150 words. You should spend around 20 minutes on this part of test. Task 1 carries one-third of your total marks of the writing test, which is about 33%. You would be assessed on the 4 areas. Number 1 is task achievement, number 2 is coherence and cohesion, number 3 is your lexical resource, and the last but not the least is your grammatical range and accuracy. The most important thing that you have to show is that you can clearly write in a systemic manner. And if you want to score well, you should know what examiner wants and you should give it to them accordingly. Now we shall discuss about the strategies for writing task 1. Number 1. Understand how the test is marked. Knowing exactly the marking criteria will allow you to give the examiner exactly what they need. So for a band 8 or 9 student, he should have a complete command on the language and the way he uses it with complete accuracy and fluency. Number 2. You have to paraphrase the question. Correct usage of synonyms and paraphrasing throughout the task 1 is mandatory to achieve a good band score. So learn a list of synonyms and master the art of paraphrasing. This could be one factor stopping you to achieve a desired band. Number 3. Follow the right format of the task. The right format of the task 1 is introduction, which is followed by an overview and paragraph 1 to 2. There is no conclusion or opinions. To write your overview, pick 3 or 4 main features and write about them generally, without referencing any data. In a new paragraph, support the key features with the data in the information given to you. Last but not the least, you should always check your work with the time that you have left with. Check your report for spelling and grammar mistakes. Make sure that the data you've mentioned is also accurate. Remember, this is just an overview of the Task 1 academic. If you want complete directions, the tips and the strategies for the Task 1, you can check out these 4 videos. The link is shared in the description. So that will be all for today. I hope you have learned a lot through this video. If you have any queries, you can share those at the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and please subscribe my channel as well.